and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2014 Ford Focus 1.6 TDCi Zetec Navigator estate in metallic red. It's had 2 owners from new, has covered 71,000 miles and comes with a full service history. Features include satellite navigation, rear parking sensors and Bluetooth connectivity. And as an added bonus, it is only for £20 a year road tax. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.